someone. Wait, where is she?
Hi everyone, I'm Ruby from Rubyroseuk.
And today we are going to be doing 60-second slime challenge, and this is going to be very fun. We're doing a collab, and you should definitely go check out the video that we did on her channel, which was
the Easter Slime Challenge. And my channel is called Rubyroseuk.
So the things we have are a handy dandy spatula and a transparent bowl. One second. And guys, it would be a normal video if you didn't fall off the table, because it does every time.
I just knocked it.
So, as we were saying, we have some activator. We have some pink, blue, gold, and dark green shimmer paints from Hobbycraft. And then we have some clear glue.
We have like some different eggs. We have these ones that kind of look like chocolate eggs. We have some glittery eggs, and we also have some glitters.
And then we have some different coloured chicks which we're going to put in the slime after we've finished making it.
And
blindfolds. Yeah, we have blindfolds because we are going to blindfold ourselves and then we are going to pick the paint. So I think Ruby's going to pick 2 of these paints, and then whatever one she doesn't pick, I'm going to have. And also, guys, we've been keeping it a secret for a long time, so do you want to say it?
We go to the same school, and we're basically on the same table, and we're basically best friends.
Yeah, so we're keeping that a secret from you guys.
And it's also been really funny because you've also been commenting on our videos saying we should do a collab.
Yeah.
So here it is.
So let's get on with the video. Yo.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go.
Whoa, where's the other ones? Okay. This one.
Okay.
Woo, pink and green.
That's good because I wanted the blue and I wanted the pink as well, but we both got the same colours. Okay, so now we're going to blindfold pick the glitters, and Ruby's going to mix them up for me first, and then I'm going to pick, and then I'm going to mix them up for Ruby, and Ruby's going to pick.
So we're going to pick each.
Yeah, I'm going to pick 3. Okay, pick this one, this one, and this one.
Okay.
Ooh, yes. I wanted these blue stars, and then I got purple glitter, and I got white stars. So now I'm going to mix them up for you. Which ones do you want to get?
I want to get the pink one, and then I want the white one. But I didn't mind except on that.
Yeah, I'm going to take my blindfold off now. Oh, my ears. Okay, now I'm going to mix.
This one. This one. And this one.
You got them?
Yes! Did I get them first?
Oh, it's good to have
Did I get them first?
You can pick that one first.
Yeah, because I heard you like going like...
Ruby has blue, pink, and
yellow stars.
Yellow stars. Okay, so I think we should just get on making slime. So guys, now we are going to start the challenge. Actually, we should put it down because I have to start the timer. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! No, my lid's not open. Oh, I landed in the glue.
Oh my gosh, 43 seconds.
Oh my god.
This is not going to work. Ah! More activator, more activator. Ah! No! Oh, for gosh. There you go, I forgot my glitter.
No!
Activator! 22 seconds!
No!
Okay,
My hands.
I barely added any glue.
My slime.
Okay, turn into slime, please.
Oh my god. 14, 13.
Oh, mine's so overactivated.
Well, it's actually done. I actually did it.
Same, we did it in 3 seconds.
Whoa!
It's done.
We actually did it. It's really overactivated.
It's so nice though. It's actually really pretty.
It's actually really pretty, yeah. It's very metallic and nice, and
mine's so reflected.
to rush as much.
We
next time.
finished it at the same time.
Oh
Oh my gosh, yours is like...
Let me feel yours. Oh, yours is actually nice.
Yours is so pretty
Yours
as well.
is so pretty too. Okay, so now we're going to add the Easter eggs, and I think I'm going to go for blue.
I'm going to go
colours.
for the yellow. Let's check them out so we can... I'm going to add these glittery ones.
I'm actually going to add a white one to it too.
Oh, this is so nice.
I love this. I'm going to show them. So, these are our little Easter egg beds, and I think these are going to, easy to mix in, so should we mix them in?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
It feels like a stress ball.
It does.
Look. Whoa. This is really cool, and my hands are so glittery.
Yeah, same.
So let's do round number 2. So guys, now we're going to do the second round, and I'm going to use gold shimmer paint.
I'm going to use pink and yellow glitter with stars. I just spilled them.
I'm going to also be using blue stars. And yeah, I'm going to see how this goes, and it will match with this colour. And Ruby's going to start the timer, so...
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that looks horrible. Mine looks so bad. Oh, gross. Look at the time. We finished before this last time.
Oh no, mine's not activating.
Okay,
You can
it's
do
working.
this.
17. Okay. I'm gonna make this less activated. Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm done.
Mine's nice.
Mine's nice too.
Oh, mine's so pretty as well.
I think yours looks cool.
Same.
Mine's a bit sticky.
The gold is really pretty.
So I think yours sounds really good.
Same with yours. The gold is so pretty as well.
Yeah, your pink is so nice. And mine's actually pretty good.
Mine's not
Better
like
than
really
last
stretchy.
round. And also, let's add our things.
Well, yeah.
I'm going to add yellow. One yellow. One white. The eggs look like mini eggs, and it's so cute.
I'm going to add the white one.
Wait, why don't you add one of these?
Okay. 4.
So we got them sides. Now let's mix them.
Ooh, super pretty.
You're right.
Guess I'm not using that one.
And comment down below what challenges you might like me and Ruby to do together.
Yeah, I love to do that as well. It's really fun doing this video.
It's just fun. Okay guys, so now we're on our last and final round, and we are going to be using school PVA glue from Hobbycraft. Okay guys, so now we're going to pick our paints, not blindfolded, we're just going to pick them, and I know which one I'm going for.
We crossed over. Ready? 3, 2.
Hey, put your glue down! 3, 2, 1. No! No, get out! Get out!
No, I can't get it out. No, come out! I'm failing at all of this, guys. I'm not
Activator, 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 mix, 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 mix.
This is not open.
Ah, quick! Ah, it's in my hair.
We're just panicking. Oh my gosh, 9 seconds, and I'm just like overactivating myself.
That went.
I don't know what I've made.
Can we do this round again? That was a disaster. We're doing it again. Mom! Can't talk right now.
Came on meeting. My arms are really hurt.
The paint makes it softer. Keep adding paint. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Woo!
We both finished our slimes.
And it's really nice and soft. So now we're going to put some different coloured eggs. And I think I'm going to go for like blue, white and pink.
I'm going to go for every colour. Okay, that one. That one. You gave me all the ugly ones. Yeah, done.
Okay, so there are our slimes. So now let's mix them somehow. Oh, this is good.
It's so
This is like
crunchy.
a stress ball. Honestly, when you feel mine, you're loving it.
Same. Should we feel each other in a minute?
Yeah, oh my god. I love mine. This is the best one I've ever
Yours
made.
looks so cool.
I know, mine's so crowded. It's so nice though when you feel it.
Same. Should we feel each other's? I'm curious.
Okay.
Ready?
Curious ASMR.
Whoa.
I know, right?
You've got so many in here. Whoa.
Ruby's is really nice and I love the colour and the texture is so nice. Like, you've got more slime and I've got like more add-ins. And guys, make sure you go check out the video that we did on Ruby's channel. And if you want to go to her channel is
Rubyroseuk.
And also go to her Instagram, which is
Ruby_Rose_UK.
This week's shout out goes to Life is Grace. And she comments #_ on all my videos. And if you do that, you will get a shout out. And make sure you smash that subscribe button. And make sure you become an Emma Unicorn. So everyone, happy Easter!
Oh my gosh. Emma, you've got slime on your head.
Oh no.
You got it. Slime balls coming right at ya.
Oh, you.
Stick on deep.
Oh.
Now we're even because we've got 2 bits on, so. Now we're even. Emma, we're disastrous.
We're not equal.
Yes, we are. No. We're gonna get someone off.
I'm gonna get in trouble.